Yeah, so today we are still doing fractions, yeah. Basically the first part is still very basic, conversion and so on. Then later on we will be doing the before and after, where we will be manipulating the units. So that later part will be a little difficult. But we will use the BCA method, okay? So that one should actually be quite easy to work on. Okay. All right. So okay, I think they are all coming in. Anika is coming in. Okay, so let's see. All right. Okay, where's my pen? Okay, so this is the first question. Okay, shall we take turns? Let's say maybe we can have Tommy to start. Tommy, would you like to do A?
Yes, please.
Okay, so you do A. Let's take a look at and see how you do it.
So, I think I need my mouse. My mother suggested using this pen thingy, and
Yes, can or not?
it didn't work that well.
Oh, okay, okay. All right.
Just write to it. Slash means divide, okay? I don't have the divide here.
Okay, but it's not coming out yet, so we can't see.
Yeah, I'm still doing.
You're still writing, okay. $13 out of 18. 13 out of 8.
The green one is not one.
Oh, the blue one. Okay, so doing the red one, is it? Okay, let's take a look at your red one. Can you continue there?
Okay. Okay.
26 out of 39. Okay, that is not complete yet, huh? Okay, so yeah, we are still looking.
That's my answer.
That's your answer. You are dividing by what?
2. I mean 3. Sorry, 3.
Dividing by 3. If you divide by 3.
Oh wait, no wait.
No, you cannot divide by 3. You have to divide by 13.
Oh.
Right? You must divide by 13.
I see that now.
Okay, we are still at the first one, yeah? The first one already got problems. So let's take a look.
Let me look at
it. 13 out of 18 is not the correct answer, okay?
Okay. Let me try it again. Let me raise it first. 13
out of 18 is halfway. No. Just now your 26 out of 39 is halfway. Okay? When you had 26 out of 39, that part is all right, but halfway. You still have to continue. Because 26 and 39 cannot be divided by 3. You must divide by 13. So we have a problem with this one. Okay, who typed in this one?
I think it was Kylo.
Who?
I have no idea.
Okay, never mind. Okay, just now when you divided by 2, you got 26 and then you got 39, right? Okay, I can see today you're having problems with your mouse, is it? Because you can't write. 26 and 39 can be divided by 13.
Just keep on scribbling.
Okay, Jaden has typed in. Jaden is correct already. 26 divided by 13 will get you 2. Okay? 39 divided by 13 will get you 3.
I'm still doing it.
Yeah. So yours is actually the last part. You have done one part and then the second part is not right. Okay, yes, 2/3 is correct. Okay. All right. So just now who was the one who did the 5/8? Can somebody identify, because I didn't see. So but 5/8 is correct, huh? Okay. Kylie. Okay, Kylie. 5/8 is correct. Well done. Okay. What about the third one where I got 13 out of 15? Who's the one who did that? It is also correct. Jaden, is it? Okay, so that's correct. And the fourth one, yeah, 2/5, Kylie. All right, okay. So yeah, the first one was the one that we had problems. Yeah, okay. So now that we are all right, let's move on to our next slide. Okay, so let's try to clean this. Okay. All right, yeah, I think we have some newcomers, so let's encourage the newcomers. We have a Shanmu and we have an Anika, right? Would Shanmu like to try A and maybe Anika try B? The rest of you can welcome them. Oh, they are all very quiet.
Which one do I try?
Huh? Shanmu try A and then Anika try B.
Okay.
Okay, A is already correct. Well done. Okay, because this one is times 8, yeah? So we are looking at B now. Okay, let's see. So you got 24. What about B?
I actually don't know how to annotate.
Oh, okay. If you mouse over, I think it's right on top. When you mouse towards the top, a banner will appear. Okay, that will be your taskbar. If you can see that taskbar, you will be able to look for the word annotate. Then you'll be able to get the pen out. Are you able to do that?
Okay. I see.
You see it? Okay, okay. Then you can try. Aha. Okay, so Anika is writing. Okay, that's correct as well. Good job. Okay, so actually what we're doing is we are multiplying by 6, right? So 7 times 6 is 42, 9 times 6 is 54. Okay, well done. All right, okay, so beginning is quite okay. Let's move on to our next page. Okay, so now we have our next page. Let me clean away. Okay. Oops, now what happened? Hey, where's my screen sharing? It's gone. Hang on, how come it's not coming out?
Oh, it's come out.
Did it come out?
Yeah.
Hang on. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look. The first one is okay, let's see who we can get. Nabil, you're very quiet. Can we get Nabil to try C?
I want to try.
You want to try Tommy? Tommy, you do D. Can we have Nabil try C and then Tommy do D?
Okay.
Okay.
All done. I guess it takes a little while. Found it.
Tommy is already done. Okay, D is correct. Well done. So let's look at C now. Nabil, are you able to write or type? Okay, yeah, he's doing. Okay. Correct. 3 times 4, 4 times 4, that will get you 12 out of 16. 16 times 4 will get you 64. Yes. So 12 times 4 gets you 48. Okay, good job. All right, that is correct as well. Okay, both are correct, yeah? All right, so no problem with our basics. Okay, a few more questions on our basics, yeah? Okay, now we are at question 3. This time, you need to convert this into, okay, A is to convert to either a whole number or a mixed number, depending on how you do. B, convert into a mixed number. All right. So, okay, can we have Jaden and Kylie? Okay, so Jaden has already typed in. Wow, very fast. Jaden has already got 8 as his answer. Yes, because 32 out of 4 is a whole number 8. What about Kylie? Can you try B? Seven and a half is correct. Well done. Okay, now where's my pen? My pen has dropped to the bottom. Okay, good job. Okay, so from here, let's move on. Okay, we have some more of this. Okay, so who have we not called? Okay, let me go back to the list. Have I called everybody? Tommy, Keishan, Kylie, Nabil, Jaden, we just called, right? Oh, so we are back to square one again. Shanmu and Anika. Okay, Shanmu and Anika, can you try? Shanmu try C, Anika try D. Okay, Shanmu is correct. Yeah, 6 out of 12 is actually half, so that missing number is a 2. Anika has written 5, so 30 out of 36, simplest form is 5, 6. Yes, so the missing number is 5. Well done. Okay, all right. Okay, I think we have two more basic questions. So let's just get who else. So can we have Tommy and Nabil? Tommy and Nabil? Tommy A, Nabil B, okay? Okay, Nabil is coming out with, okay, both have finished. And that is correct as well. Okay, we look at Tommy's one first. One whole, because of the fraction that has a denominator of 5, so your one whole is 5 out of 5. Then you plus another 2, so it is 7 out of 5. So the 7 is the numerator is correct. Nabil has actually changed into a mixed number. So every 3 will form one whole. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, 5 wholes, leaving us with a 1, which is the remainder. So that will be 1/3. Okay, well done. Okay, so that is correct. Now we come to C and D. So we can have Jaden and Kylie. So maybe Jaden C, Kylie D. All right, supposed to change C into improper fraction, and D is supposed to change into, just simplify, yes. Okay, Kylie is already correct. 8 out of 20, simplest form is 2/5. Improper fraction, okay, Jaden has written 11 out of 3. That is also correct because 3 wholes, now that we are cutting the fraction into 3 parts, so 3 wholes will be 3, 6, 9. 9 plus another 2 will get you 11. Okay, so far so good. That means all of you know how to do. Okay, so now we come into some simple word problems first. So these are the easy ones. Now let's just take a look at what this question is about. Okay, the fractions can be a little messy, so we try to understand part by part, okay? The whole story revolves around 2 variables, the 2 types of flowers. The 2 types of flowers add together will give you a grand total of all the flowers. But they gave you certain parts. Now, the second sentence tells you that the florist sold half of the sunflowers. That means the sunflowers, you must have a certain total. From the total of the sunflowers, you cut into 2 equal parts. You sell half, and then the other half is left behind. In terms of the hibiscus must be cut into 11 parts. Out of the 11 parts, 1 part is being sold, and then that means leaving us with another 10 parts that's not sold. Okay, so independently, that is how the ideas look like. But the next sentence actually tells you 11 out of 12 of the flowers sold were sunflowers. So be very careful. This 11 out of 12 is not of the flowers itself. It's of the flowers that's sold. Okay. It is the sold part that has to be cut into 12 parts. And out of the 12 parts, 11 goes to the sunflowers, meaning that means 1.